Namaste Bharat. So we welcome you all on the platform of Namaste Bharat by World Wellness Federations and C4 Integrated Wellness, a platform of humanity, health, and trade. And here today we have an amazing speaker with us, where we are going to interact with him about what is happening globally in health, how humanity can impact the health, and how people can survive through their trade and businesses at ongoing platform. So we welcome Dr. Parimal Marchandji here with us. So Namaste
Namaste.
Bharat, welcome you, Parimal Marchandji. And this is a platform of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड इज माय फैमिली, दैट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ द वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. And Parimal Marchand ji ka introduction, to it's like putting a big thing in a very small lines. So Parimal Marchand ji is a director of Family SP Jain Institute of Management, and he is running a complete this family business program from last 27 years. So it's an example of focus, determination, and running one thing continuously and how you can achieve the success. Even Parimal Marchandji is a writing author. He's an author. He is an entrepreneur, and his blog on humanity is amazing. One must actually follow that. So Parimal Marchandji, we welcome you on the show of Namaste Bharat. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and being here. So
Thank you.
let's start, Parimal bhai. Yeah. So
Sure.
I would like to ask Parimal bhai, would you like to introduce yourself a little bit in a very small line, that how your journey has taken up till here today?
Very average student, but formed under very, very rigorous bosses to understand something called work culture and drive for excellence in whatever we do. So this has been my formation for last 30 years.
Okay. And
Second
you
thing
have
was,
successfully, huh?
second thing was that one thing is to do our day-to-day work. रोज का जो काम करना है वो तो सबको करना ही है.
Absolutely.
Beyond that, what? And that is where I learned from humanist movement. Each one of us, our life has a meaning. We are born to make a difference to the world. It doesn't matter how big is the difference. But the fact is that we all are here to make a difference to the world. Lucky are those like me who realize that there is what is our role. So for us, things become easy.
Yes. So realization is so important in the life. So when you are awakened with yourself each time, each moment, you can realize yourself. And once the moment you realize, you have to start your journey immediately without wasting a single moment. So amazingly. So Parimal bhai, I would really here want to ask you, what would you say about transition of global health in today's scenario of COVID 2019?
See, global health, I don't think is so much transition as much as first we need to know description. That there are two sides. One side, it is overly criticized. All the wrong things have been attributed to it. They are making a
Yes.
lot of profit and a lot of malpractices and all. And the fact that with all that also they are doing so much good, that is not recognized. Well, you have
Absolutely.
arms industry, you have liquor industry, you have cigarette industry, who do a lot of profit, but with a lot of harm. We don't talk about
Yes.
it. So this health is something that society has little distorted view. That's one. Second thing is, if a child was born 10,000 years ago, when humanity did not know about bacteria, obviously the
Absolutely.
child would have to die, whether if the child was born in America or Sudan.
Yes.
Today, if a child is born in America, because we know about the bacteria, he is cured. But in Sudan, because he cannot afford, so he is not cured. So what has
Okay.
happened is the health learning is over a period of time of the humanity's achievement. It is no one person's credit. But today, all this is largely available to people with resources, and many others are deprived of. Ideally, for humanity, what should happen? Every human
Mm-hmm.
being should have free health. After all, human being is formed to part of the society. If something goes wrong, society should do it. Now, the whole
Absolutely.
question that society looking at whole humanity from this angle is a new mindset. Then there is a third part. Lot of thing is being talked about therapeutic.
Yes.
We are in India. इंडिया में तो प्रिवेंटिव के बारे में कितनी चीजें होती है,
कितनी चीजें.
लेकिन दुनिया में हेल्थ की जब बात करते हैं तो प्रिवेंटिव की बात कम करते हैं. जो करते
हाँ.
हैं वो थेराप्यूटिक की बहुत सारी एडवांसेस करते हैं.
Yes.
और जब अगर प्रिवेंटिव वेल केयर टेकन केयर है तो फिर थेराप्यूटिक की जरूरत ही कम हो जाती है.
Absolutely. One more step towards the prevention. One big step towards the prevention is understanding the prevention and working towards the prevention. Then actually the therapy comes, and then the cure comes, the medicine comes. So actually this
राइट.
is a very new avenue which you have put up today, and I think my audience should understand that what Dr. Parimal Marchandji is actually telling you. You need to again awaken what he started with, that you need to realization and awaken about your prevention within yourself. So it start at yourself, and then the therapy start. So amazing thing to understand about the
now
audience.
now one point now one point
Mhm.
your question was how has it affected with the current corona time. It has
Yes.
been affected dramatically in one way, which is the
Hmm.
way that
Yes.
you may be whatsoever great person, virus can easily get into you.
Yes.
So Corona has shown this very democratically.
Very,
It
very.
can be very rich, very poor, very great, no great. President Trump was in India and he said in Ahmedabad, we have spent $2 trillion in strengthening the most military ever US had. And with
Okay.
that most strength military, they could not prevent Corona. So Corona,
Absolutely.
in that sense, is a little awakening, little reason for people to realize that war and weapons, you kill each other.
Absolutely.
Instead, focus on health for everyone. You are also protected because of that.
Yes, if you're protected, then the war will happen. If you're not protected, first you need to protect yourself through the health, then you can stand by on the road of your wars. So that's very greatly said. And here I really would like to ask you one more question attached to it is how Dr. Parimal Marchandji, you can connect health with humanity, because I have been reading your blog, and very simplest way you have put form a communication between two people, how each one perspective is affecting the other one's perspective, and you have very nicely said this. So I feel that this is the platform where the people understand in COVID 2019 that how humanity and your own perspective can make a difference. And I think nobody can better say than Dr. Parimal Marchandji. So please kindly
What
throw
has
some light
happened
on
in
that.
COVID-19, we have learned exactly the opposite lesson.
Mm-hmm.
The lesson should have been what? I may be whatever great. Ultimately, if it spreads in the society, I am not saved. So I should
Mm-hmm.
take care of the society. Instead, it exactly happened up and down. I want to take care of myself. That's it.
Yes.
So this whole idea that you start realizing the interest of the whole,
Mm-hmm.
You are a part. Certainly, you have to leave your part very well. But very important is
Absolutely.
that you are a small part of the whole. And the
Ha,
whole
yes.
is where we have to be involved. We cannot walk away just trying to protect myself. Corona showed
Absolutely.
us like this. A ship was there, sailing very well. Party was going on, music was there, dance was going on.
Mm-hmm.
And suddenly somebody shouted, that ship is sinking. Well, initially people didn't believe, but when the water started entering, then they started panicking. And now what will they do?
Mm-hmm.
They will search the lifeboat for themselves first. They will
First.
want to make sure that really speaking, what are the resources, what are the things to be done? Nothing doing. The mind works only myself.
Only myself.
Corona, Corona has taught us only yourself will not take you anywhere.
Absolutely. It's like we, it's not about I. So it's like,
Yes,
one tile theory. I always talk about this one tile theory that when it comes, you speak when you are on one tile and on one toe. And that moment you have a courage to save others. That is where I think the humanity enters within you. Because till then you will not realize it. Till you are not on that point of verge where you are gonna die. But then that moment can make you realize that you can save other also. So yeah, the COVID-19 is a kind of thing where you are in the house, you are affected, and your family is living with you. They might get affected. So how you can protect them as well by saving yourself? So this is something a very new era and beginning. So amazingly, Parimal Merchanji, you have really explained so well. And my third question to you is how humanity can change the process of medical support. This is something really very, very important in this today's scenario. So, what you say?
I think the medical support, I'll go back to what I said in the first. When we talk about
Hmm.
medical support, therapeutic part requires a huge amount of investment.
Absolutely.
Also, because of the dependence on that, the profit is very high there.
Hmm.
तो फिर लोग क्या करते हैं? फिर वो थेरापेटिक में ही जाते हैं. तो अल्टीमेटली सोसाइटी को ये प्रायोरिटाइज करना पड़ेगा कि थेराप्यूटिक लेट इट गो ऑन, बट लेट अस stress more on preventing, right from
Absolutely.
childhood, right from pregnancy,
From
all
inception,
the
yes.
health related things to be taken care of. इन इंडिया भी हमारे यहाँ सिस्टम थी, वो बीसीजी का टीका कंपलसरी था.
Yes.
But that's it. Nutrition, the whole logic earlier was that a pregnant mother would get that much nutritious food. I'm not sure whether that is available today or not,
Yes.
but that was the idea. People may live in slum, but they also have a right to live healthy life.
Healthy
Because if
life.
they are not healthy, you and me can't be healthy.
Can't be. It's really, you rightly said that right to live healthy. I was just last month, Parimalji, that I was visiting the ministers' areas, and I was talking about the project where I have really said this right to live healthy. And they said this is a very strong line. Whenever every human being has right to live healthy, they don't need to get into the process of medicine where they need to spend money. What about before that? They can prevent themselves to get the diseases. So the government should look into the process of the prevention, and then the cure is already medicine. Hospitals are there, doctors are there. So it's like individual awareness and responsibility which we need to
ये
focus through the
बार
prevention.
बार सब गवर्नमेंट को करना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को करना चाहिए. लोग क्या करेंगे? You and me should be
Absolutely.
out on the street talking about that this is required.
This is
In fact,
required.
if you require some support, government can give you some support. But ultimately,
Absolutely.
good people do need to come out,
Come
be
out.
in the action, and generate a movement that
Yes.
preventive health is very, very important for humanity.
Absolutely. So it's like amazing to listen from you this, and this is what the people need to. How many people are talking in COVID-19 about this prevention movement, and to take a act on it. In fact, the Priority Prevention Act, PPA, they should put it up, and they should say that every doctor should also go through this Priority Prevention Act, and there should be some mandatory movement has should happen. And definitely, as you rightly said, this is we all are responsible, who are feeling that yes, they can make a difference to the life of others, and then they are sitting at home and blaming others. So better to move forward and put yourself little bit to this community, to our society. Very, very nicely put up. And I'm sure the people who are listening to us, they will be motivated to do something for the society from maybe today. And just, last but not the least, but what is your message to global medical industry as humanity expert?
Health is everybody's right, and we should work to make sure that it is available equally to all.
For everybody.
Now, there may be issue of resources, but then these resources should not be a constraint of some government. It should be the world pull to make sure that medical support of equal quality is available to population all over the world.
Yes, and they need to start from grassroots level. They need to start from, I think, from where the people can't get anything. Like, what you rightly said, ki, when I visited the sub centers, Parimalji, there, what had happened that in the villages, when actually they are into prevention, and they want to, before going into therapy also, they can prevent it by just small awareness and having some medical facility at the first point of time, and they can make a hell of a difference to the villages. And one new thing what I got it as on a humanity ground, I would share with you here on this platform, and to my audience, that वी यूज टू, हम लोग पता है अपने आप को वो दाम देते थे, मतलब पेन हो गया कुछ भी हुआ तो जहाँ पे पेन है वहां पे वी यूज टू बर्न आवर, वो विलेजेस में काफी कुछ चलता भी है वन और द अदर वे। और मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि ये एक अंधश्रद्धा है या ये रेमेडी है। मैंने बोला, मैंने उनको एक ही चीज बताई कि जब भी जो एग्जिस्टिंग पेन से बड़ा पेन जब इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो एग्जिस्टिंग पेन हम भूल जाते हैं। सो हमारा जो बर्निंग, हम अपने आप को जो बर्न करने का जो एक फंडा है विलेज के अंदर, सो दे कैन नॉट रीच टू द मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज बिकॉज दे आर अवे फ्रॉम देयर home, so they find the solution this way for themselves. So better, I feel, ki at villages, as Parimal Merchant ji rightly said, that they have a right to live healthy, so they must be, now the I think the digital media is very much easy for a people we to reach to the people now, so they are also having Android in the villages in the hand. So we have to take this, I think, facility in a first hand in the prevention, and make them awareness through the media also, okay, that what is it, what you can do, what when you have a pain, where is the nearby center you have, how you can reach there. So these kind of small facilities also can make a difference to the people. And putting up again your word there, that why we can put it up on a very nice way to humankind, that wherever the villages are there, small cities are also there. So the people over the cities, their education industry is there, there's some small doctors who are staying there, they can get into this movement and they can reach to the people. So it's like each one of us can be a part of this movement of the humanity, and can reach to the people to give their rights of being healthy, and preparing our generation for coming future. I think,
Fantastic.
Parimalji, the way you have put up the humanity, and I'm very much following you on this ground, because this is completely innovative. We talk about humanity, but actually in the real sense, do we know humanity? So when the COVID-19 has come, the doctors, the nurses, the staff, the ward boy, even this, if you go to the hospital, we search for the humanity there. So humanity doesn't mean the medicine. Humanity means the care and helping the person to reach to the resources. I think, and this all words I have learned from your blog. I read that regularly, so I think that has enriched the me also as a even I've done my doctorate in the prevention, so I feel that this is my fortune time that I could take your interview here on Namaste Bharat platform, and we completely globally thank you for showing us the humanity drive, and we are looking forward still, Parimalji, and we follow you. So thank you so much. And one last line, takeaway, Parimalji, for our audience. What would you say?
Health is an important area. Don't take it easy. Just because you are sick, that time only you become care about health. Whereas every day, when you are not sick, that is the time when various exercises are to be done, food balance is to be done. There are a lot of areas. So again, when we only fall sick, we remember of health. That should be only 1%. 99% should be when we are not sick. What is it that we can keep doing for health? And if elders will do, then children will do. But if elders also don't do, then how will children do?
Absolutely. So change the observation. Be that you are going to be observed by your younger one, and
Very
so
much.
you understand that what you do, that will be preached and that will be act. So thank you
Yes.
so much once again, Parimal sir, on Namaste Bharat platform. Being your student, being your follower. Thank you so much.